Here we go. Isaac. Hi, darling. Ooh, are you enjoying this? Oh, wow. Isaac. Hi, darling. What are you doing?
That's not fair, Daddy.
Hey, Isaac, what is he doing? Da, da, da.
Want some more?
Brian. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Brian.
This is my mother, Brian. This
Hi,
is
nice to
Lee.
meet you.
Yes, same here.
Excuse me. dear.
Fresh eggs from the hens.
Sure. 5 eggs.
Oh, so the rats must be dead.
Hi,
Yes, the rats are
Sid.
dead. We're getting eggs again.
Mmm. Hi, Isaac. Mmm. Is that good? It's a beautiful close-up I have.
How are you doing? Good, good. How are you?
Here comes the airplane.
Okay. You guys are so late. I'm starting to wonder if you work. Well, we did got stopped. Oh, you did? I started to think about Bruce being one nationality with his mother.
That's exactly what happened.
First time they pulled him over.
Yeah. Where are you? Are you a citizen of Canada? Yes. And you, ma'am?
Is this your friend?
United States. And you, Quebec. Oh.
Yes, all right, because you're different back in Ontario. United States, yes. What is this?
How long a delay was that?
Come here, Isaac. What you got? What is this? Yeah, he just started crawling 2 days ago.
2 days, look at.
What is it? Is that apes? Can you do that? I think it's a little too old
Isaac. Hi, darling. Hi, darling. Oh, look at you. What a good boy. Come on. Isaac, look it. Isaac, look it. Come and get this. Come on. Come on, Isaac. Come and get this.
Come on, Isaac. Come on. Come on.
Look. Isaac. Hi, dear. Look at you. Hi, darling. Hi, look at you. What a good boy. He will be walking.
His grandparents gave him this.
Did they? Well, that's a nice gift because you can. Yes, look at you. Hi, hi. Hi, Isaac. Hi, Isaac. Hi.
Oh, what those?
What are they doing? That's beautiful. Painting, Bruce. Paint the picture. The red barn, the little old house over there.